Wadhi nyime ni derepe mag nyamburko mating'o osigo katere gwenge maboyo onyis mondo owe ting'o osike mapekgi okalo rapim kendo giluw chike mag apaya kaka yo mar duoko piny masiche apaya kod kethruok mar apeyni e thurka. Duol mochung' e loso apeyni madongo Kenha ojiwo jopiny bad migawo mar doho kod apis jomin buche ODPP mondo oket maino e neno ni oluw chike kendo osike mag kata wechego eko mag neno ni apaya ok obedo kod masiche mathoth. Kowuoyo bang' jiwo apisas mowuok e kaunti mar Homabay kod Migori, apisa maduong' mochung' ne weche apaya Michael Angala ogolo siem ne joma ketho chike apaya ni obiro kawo negi ondamo mager mar chik.
Many of these offenders actually go scot-free for a reason that not enough evidence is brought. So the judiciary may appear to be, I would say, less serious in enforcement, but the problem that comes up is lack of evidence.
As we are here, our big part on the training is to disseminate this technical information and also the legal framework so that the judiciary and the police and the DPP are in a position to understand what it means and also the impact that overloaded vehicles cause to the highways.
When you are found to have overloaded along the regional road trunk networks, we don't take you to court. You pay and you comply. But for traffic acts, we take them to court. They pay and they comply. We've had success stories after sensitization, and it's my prayer and appeal that the judiciary and the ODPP, in the spirit of collective responsibility, let's coordinate because we all have a mandate.